Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So I checked that your airways are open. You are alive. That is the most important. पहली चीज. सारे orthopedician, each one of them, अब anesthesiologist, intensivist, pain manager, वो आ गया. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मेरा यहाँ आना बहुत जरूरी था. मैं उठ के आया वहां से, क्योंकि आपको कहीं ये ना लग जाए कि सबको ऑर्थोपेडिशियन बनना है. इतनी हड्डी नहीं टूटने वाली, राइट? लेकिन आईसीयू भरे हुए हैं सारे, राइट? दूसरी बात डॉक्टर तुली ने बोली, प्लान बी. हैव अ प्लान ए, प्लान बी, प्लान सी, प्लान डी, एवरीथिंग. मेरी भी जब 45 साल पहले शादी हुई है, आज एनिवर्सरी है, 45 years ago, you know, I also wanted to marry Madhubala or Geeta Bali or Aishwarya Rai or whatever. But now she is the Aishwarya Rai. She is the... So learn to fall in love with what you get. They are the best. They are the best. You can make best out of that. And believe me, ये सारे जितने ऑर्थोपेडिशियन खड़े हैं, इनकी बीवियों को आईवी मैं ही लगाता हूँ. ठीक है? And you have the art of life saving. So 24 years I was doing plain anesthesiology. But the first thing I would love to tell you is fall in love with the specialty or leave it. 1-2 साल के अंदर डिवोर्स ले लो और कट लो वहां से. लेकिन अगर वहां रहना है तो fall in love and find a colleague, a teacher, a mentor who is in love with the specialty. तभी मजा आएगा. नहीं तो वो भी रो रहे होंगे, तुम भी रो रहे होंगे, राइट? क्योंकि उनको कभी प्यार ही नहीं हुआ, बिना मतलब के चले जा रहे हो स्पेशलिटी में. So I fell in love with the specialty which I got by default, and then there was no looking back. And first 20 years pure anesthesia, but the last 25 years life saving, lifesaver, intensivist, airway manager, and we have been able to train more than 400,000 people all over the country, and great teams. So no looking back. जो मिल गया उसी को मुकद्दर समझ लिया, जो खो गया उसको भुलाता चला गया, है ना? So right, and अगर मुन्ना भाई के उससे जाए तो ये नहीं तो दूसरी मिलेगी, इसको छोड़ो दूसरी पे चलो, right? And there are many ways you can utilize your intelligence. There is no confusion. सब लोगों ने ये बोला you are the brightest of minds. So brightest of minds should not be afraid of failure. Failure is all relative. वो क्या कहेगा, ये क्या कहेगा. I have lost 3 of my classmates. Dhal is my classmate, Anil. He is also my classmate. 3 classmates have attempted and suicide. Why? They were the brightest of people. Don't underrate yourself. There is no stopping you. डॉक्टर नहीं बने तो पेपर की मिल खोल लेंगे. है हमारा, डॉक्टर त्यागी, who is now he is a multi-millionaire in UP, right? So कुछ भी करेंगे, लेकिन we will be successful. We will be happiness. Thank you very much. All the best.